simple clothes folding clothesline that you can make yourself using PVC pipe. Then you buy it expensive. You better make it yourself using PVC pipe. And you can see this is what it looks like. The first step to make clothes folding clothesline. First, you have to prepare 2 PVC pipe rod, and then you cut it to the size listed. And here are the pieces of PVC pipe that I've cut. As for the size, I cut 2 PVC pipe pieces measuring 1, 2, 15, and also 2 pipes, 3, 4, 36, and what. Then insert it into the elbow. Then mark, and here we mark it. Distance 15 centimeter, where the distance will be perforated. Okay, next for another PVC pipe. We hole in the side, middle, and also side one more. Make 10 pipe seats like this. Also prepare PVC pipe, 1, 2 of 10 seeds. And also a hole in the middle and also on the side. And then prepare the cover. And it's been hollowed out in the middle. Then insert the bolt and insert it into the pipe. Another perforated PVC. Take the cover and then insert the bolt. Then put it in a PVC pipe that you've hollowed out in the middle of. Next, take the PVC pipe, size 50 centimeter, that you guys cut earlier. You guys insert bolts too, and put it in the PVC pipe that you guys have hollowed out. Later, you guys can just follow like I do.
This
guys have put all, then the temporary look should look something like this. And also prepare the PVC pipe that you have hollowed out, measuring 15 cm earlier, and holes too, on the side. Then enter elbow, in every corner on the side, and then insert the bolt in the PVC pipe. And then insert the holes that you have hollowed out. And this is the result. You can see this is the side result bagian samping. And here we're going to make another one on the side. Di bagian samping. Jika sudah, maka tampilannya seperti ini. Also cut the potong juga pipa PVC. Size 120 cm lalu masukkan ke bagian samping pipa PVC pipe. Seperti yang kita sudah buat tadi. The next step, hole the wall next to your house and insert the bolt. And also the PVC pipe cover, then plug it in. Walls like this to really strong. Cut also PVC pipe, short size, and then put it in the elbow. And next is just straight up to stick on the PVC pipe connections that have been printed on the wall. And you guys can see, here you can dry your clothes. In this folding clothes clothesline, you guys can make your own at home. Only use PVC pipe. And this is a powerful, then you bought it. Expensive at the store. You better make it yourself using PVC. And this is a powerful, and also hold on if you put your clothes. And you guys want to dry her. And in this very steady,